We're doing Cynful country cream gravy today. Start by putting your butter, you want equal parts butter and flour, in a pan on low heat. We're going to add that flour and then stir it, whisk it in actually. Whisk it all in, and we keep whisking until we get it to looking something like this, smells a little like almonds. Once that happens, continue to whisk and add your liquid, be that the cream for this one or broth for another. And keep on stirring until you get all that combined. If you get a little thick on you, add your seasonings, pepper, salt, whatever others. Now I'm using coarse ground pepper here. Stir that all in. And we're going to use a silicone spatula for this. If it sticks to a silicone spatula, it's nice and thick. So there you go. You have your Cynful country cream gravy. Here's your recipe. I want to thank y'all for watching today. And please like and subscribe. And of course, you guys have an awesome day.